This is kind of cool. You can view and sort by kind, except for that when you click it, it doesn't sort by kind, and that should be sorting by file extension. So in today's video, I am going to show you how to fix it. Hey guys, what's up? It's the Ivy Dad, and I just want to do a quick tutorial video because this is frustrating, especially if you have a GoPro, where when you record, it creates these new files, the LRV, the MP4, and the THM file. Now for me, my only editing option is the MP4, so these other files are totally ridiculous. And of course I can hit Control and click each MP4 and move them to a new folder or whatever, or I can click each with Control, LRV, THM, and remove them. Okay, so you'll see that it didn't work. Again, view, arrange by, and kind isn't working. However, if you click away from the device that you're on, so right now I'm on the GoPro card, which is from my GoPro, the way that I film many of my things. If I click over here to Macintosh, and now I click back, that's the Macintosh HD, I can go right back to the DCIM and to the GoPro, and check it out. Oh, wait, where's the DH and the LR? What? Oh, dude, it did it! So now I just click there, and this is kind of hard with the camera in my hand, but shift and boom, and then I can right click and move to trash, so I can't use those, creating a little bit more space on my deal. I legitimately hope that that helped you out. When I get stuck on a problem and I'm able to kind of like, through frustration and trying everything, figure it out, I like to share it with others. If it did, go ahead and think about subscribing right here, click the bell, and you'll get notified every time I upload a video. Most of my videos are about me fighting my inoperable brain cancer with an inoperable meets unstoppable attitude. You can also watch a video up here, whichever one Google picks for you, and you can pick up a Stay Stoked shirt right here and help me stay stoked over cancer. Adios!